Now, politics begins over vaccination 2.0. Congress leader Lavanya Balal has now mocked the Prime Minister over getting the vaccine jab. Lavanya tweeted accusing the BJP of vote bank politics, adding that they see this opportunity of the Prime Minister getting the jab as an opportunity to serve their supreme leader. Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has slammed the opposition, saying that Prime Minister Modi ended politics of arrogance and power and everyone is following the same protocol. In fact, Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad added that when it comes to the fight against COVID, everyone must speak in one voice.
मैं सबों से एक ही आग्रह करूंगा, कोरोना की लड़ाई में देश को एक स्वर से बोलना चाहिए और बाकी जहां तक सियासी मामला है, चुनाव आएगा, हम लोग हिसाब करेंगे, वो भी प्रचार करें, हम भी प्रचार करें, लेकिन क्या हम कोरोना की लड़ाई में एक नहीं हो सकते?
एक्शन स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड। ऐसा है कि प्रधानमंत्री सबसे पहले चले जाए, मंत्री सबसे पहले चले जाए, ये जो वीआईपी कल्चर है इसको तो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आते ही जो है 6.5 साल पहले ध्वस्त कर दिया था। नो लाल बत्ती, नो सब्सिडी, ये जो मंत्रियों को सब्सिडी, एमपीज को सब्सिडी, मंत्रियों की चमकती हुई लाल बत्ती, ये जो धमक और धाक वाला जो राजनीति थी उसको उन्होंने ध्वस्त किया है और धमक और धाक की राजनीति को ध्वस्त करके जो भी पारी है उस पारी का प्रोटोकॉल, चाहे मंत्री हो, चाहे संतरी हो और चाहे नीचे का व्यक्ति, उसको करना पड़ेगा। और आज ये बात आपने देखी है,
वैक्सीन पर राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए।
देखिए, जो लोग वैक्सीन पर सियासी वैक्सीन चढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे वो देश का बड़ा भारी नुकसान कर रहे थे और ये काम जो है वो जिन लोगों ने किया था उनको बहुत बड़ा संदेश मिला है।
आज जब वैक्सीनेशन की ये छवि मेरे पास आए तो मैंने देखा कि उन्होंने एक गमछा पहने हैं और केरल और तमिलनाडु की नाच को भी उन मदद ले रहे हैं। संयोग से ऐसा लगता है कि 3 राज्यों में चुनाव है और ये चुनाव में लगता है कि वैक्सीनेशन में भी चुनाव हावी है। ये मुझे ऐसा लगा तो इसलिए मैंने कहा, ऐसा नहीं तो मैंने ये भी सोचा कि अगर एक हाथ में ऋषि अरविंद जी की तस्वीर हो जाते और एक हाथ में गीतांजलि हो जाते तो 5 राज्यों में जो चुनाव है ये 5 राज्य उसमें शामिल हो जाते।
देखिए, वैक्सीनेशन से अगर कहीं किसी की डेथ हो रही है या कहीं कोई समस्या सामने आ रही है तो उस पर निश्चित रूप से लोगों का कंसर्न होना या लोगों की चिंता होना वो जायज है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने खुद से वैक्सीन लगवाई, बहुत अच्छी बात है और वैक्सीनेशन में जितना तेजी के साथ ये आगे बढ़ेगा, जितनी तेजी के साथ इसको आगे पहुंचाया जाएगा और लोगों के दिमाग में जो डाउट्स हैं उसको भी क्लियर करने में अगर सरकार काम करती है तो अच्छी बात है।
Now, let me quickly cut across to Anand Patel reporting from Delhi to give us a perspective here. Anand, we are looking at politics already now surrounding Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking the vaccine jab. We saw one of the Congress members who pointed out saying that this is an opportunity people get to serve the supreme leader. This is just vote bank politics. What really do you hear from on ground? Of course, the optics of it really boosts and motivates people to go get the vaccine, which indeed is the need of the hour. Is this also a topic of politics?
Well, Nabila, if you look at the face of it, it's a big political statement by the Prime Minister when he took this shot. The government has been making a big push for Atmanirbhar Bharat. And the vaccine which was administered to the Prime Minister was an indigenously developed Covaxin developed by the Bharat Biotech. Now, there was a lot of controversy over the manner in which Bharat Biotech was given the approval. Opposition had alleged that the green signal was given by bypassing the norms. There was not much enough data about the vaccine. But nevertheless, Prime Minister tried to allay all the fears and apprehensions about the vaccine by taking the jab today. And also making a big statement as far as Atmanirbhar Bharat is concerned. His government remains committed to that. Secondly, a big political statement messaging also in this. Because, he was wearing a stole which was from Assam, and the 2 nurses who administered the jab, one from Pondicherry, other from Kerala, both poll-bound states. Now, obviously, he has quoted criticism by doing so because the opposition is saying that even the chief executive officer of the country is using the opportunity to throw a political message across at a time when these states are at polls. Obviously, you'll get comments from the Congress party, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, saying that Prime Minister could have taken a Gitanjali in his hand to send a message across to the people in Bengal as well. So clearly, the Aam Aadmi Party also making a statement
Right.
that the Prime Minister jumped the queue. Shouldn't the COVID warriors be given the first opportunity to get the jab?
Right.
So obviously, these controversies are there, but yes, this
Absolutely,
COVID
Anand.
pandemic management, the
At the end
government
of
has a lot of to
it,
answer.
this is the need of the hour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, at least if he had jumped the line, then that should have been a controversy. But here is
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.